Okay, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Here's a little toolbox I picked up at an estate sale. It's a Craftsman Rally box, 3-drawer. We'll discuss at the end what I paid for it. Let's go through it and see what's all in it, and then I'll tell you what we paid. I do not have the key, but it came. There's also, I already took some of the trash out of this, and I'll show that right here, a picture of what was all there. And here we go. So one of the first things here is a Stanley 99E box cutter retractable blade. Nice little unit. So we got a Craftsman 7-piece Torx bit. One of them looks used, the rest of them all look pretty clean. And here we got a Crescent, let's see, 547 tin snips. Seems like a pretty tight unit, got a little rust on it, but likely it'll clean up. There's a drum brake spoon. Got no name on it that I can see. Okay, here we got a channel lock number 41. Little pliers. Sold these before. Pretty nice little pliers. Got this little needle nose channel lock. I believe it's a 47, if I'm not mistaken. I don't see the number on it, but good little tool. And got a set of Craftsman with the Crown logo ignition wrench set. 43441 is the part number. And we got, looks like 6 more ignition wrenches on a chain, all Craftsman, with a Craftsman pocket screwdriver. Sears Craftsman's, the greatest name in tools. It's 4160 is the part number. And we got something. So this is a little pick set. Got a handle. This is a Blue Point. Never seen this before. It's like a pretty nice little thing. Here, screws in. So you got the pick. Looks complete. And then there's also, these are some like micro screwdrivers that also fit in there. So I don't know if that's something aftermarket. I've never. There's no name on that package. So this is a number 8 Vicks bit. Like screw centering tool. Not really sure what that's used for. Maybe you can leave a message. Let me know. A little oily. Here we got a set of impact sockets. No name on them. Made in Japan. Look like a pretty high quality set. And then we got a Proto Challenger spark plug socket, model 1326 HP. Got the insert in there. Got a Craftsman 13/16 spark plug socket with the insert. Got a inflator chuck, air compressor. Here we got a Craftsman V Series 3/8 universal. So this is a Napa NB 622M. It's a 22mm 6.3H drive. Another 3H drive deep Craftsman. Little Craftsman 9/16 12 point. We got some kind of a chuck here. I don't see any name on it. And here we got a Walden 12 point. I think this 9/16 also, yes. A couple battery terminal cleaners. Okay, then we got one of these Craftsman, it's a 1/2 inch, 3/8 drive. This is from the stainless steel sets. Lone socket. Here's a Craftsman 1 1/8 12 point 1/2 inch drive. And then we got an SK. Let's see, what size is this? Another 1 1/8 1/2 inch drive, 12 point. Anything in there we missed? Okay, then found these. These are snap-on. These are for carburetor adjustment. They did have the actual wand or whatever you want to call it for that these go with, but they were asking $40 for it. That's more than it sells on eBay. So I saw the sockets are in this box when I bought it, and I kind of chuckled because those are probably worth as much as the tool. Here we got two Craftsman. Oh no, I guess it's two Challenger extensions. One's like a 2 inch and the other one's a 12 inch. Put those back in there. This is a proto spark plug gapper. Another gapper here. This is Dunlop. Another spark plug gapper with no name. These usually got some kind of advertising, store name or something. Nothing on that one. Got away on me there. It's a Craftsman 6 inch 3/8 drive extension. Got some kind of little paintbrush. Got this grabber. Never seen this type before, but plastic. Seems like a pretty nice little tool. All this says on a stainless steel ruler. No name. And then we got a couple more picks. All these say on them is General USA. We got a carpenter's pencil. This must have came out of Minnesota because I see it says Brooklyn Park in Burnsville, and then Little Canada. Must have been the lumberyard up there. So this is a super comb, model T417. It's for fixing condenser or radiator that are nicked up. Single edge industrial razor blades and Coors church key. Let's see, I think we got everything in that. Next one, kind of funny. Here's a tool. I've never seen one of these before. Now I got two of them within the last month. So let's put a Sawzall blade in there and use it for a handsaw. Got a couple Dymaloy. Well, one's a diamond, one's a Dymaloy. HL110P and a K18 or K18. Here's a Craftsman lock ring pliers. Pretty stiff. Could use a cleaning. Model P 4735. We got a little pliers here. It says Germany on it. Looks like somebody torqued on that. The handles don't seem to be where they're supposed to be. Then we got a couple no-name snap ring pliers, and the bits are inside this Little plastic case here. Know what happened? I mean, it gets hot out here. Look at the bottom of that. Just looks like it was melted actually right onto the thing when I had to sit like tear it off of there. Okay, onto the next drawer. Here we got a bunch of screwdrivers, but in here there's a Stanley, Yankee, Phillips little ratcheting screwdriver, and there's also a Craftsman slotted ratcheting screwdriver. This is a 4117. Well, the Yankee, I don't think has a part number on it. It just says made in USA. And then on top of that, there's a bunch of Craftsman screwdrivers. This is a Ace 10-in-1. If you guys ever had, these are pretty handy to have. Craftsman, a little Stanley. This is probably the best piece in here. This Craftsman, it has the bits in it. It's a 41401B WF. Got Torx in there. I believe I've sold this in the past for like $25. Then we got a couple of the offset Craftsman screwdrivers. So there you go. Pretty good little drawer. In the bottom drawer, got some companion USA screw or open end wrenches. I think the goes up to 3/4, and the smallest one's a 1/4 inch. So that's a 5-piece set in there. Then we got this Blackhawk offset stubby box wrench. It's a BW 1483. It looks like 1/2 by 9/16. We got this here. Oh yeah, it does say Craftsman on it. 47682-Z. It's a 1/2 inch. The shorter wrench, I guess, is what it's called. And then we got a body hammer here, cross peen. Sears Craftsman, made in USA. Looks like it's a model 4550. The head is a little bit loose on the handle, but I don't know. I guess a guy that knows what he's doing can probably repair that. I don't know what I'm doing, so I just know how to buy this stuff. Okay, guys, that's what we got for you this week. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until the next one, thanks for watching, and have a great week.